Hello all, welcome to Impact Hackathon brought to you by SFDC Amplified. Today we are going to discuss about how Salesforce community can be used for the stray dogs treatment. So let's jump into the video. So what we are going to build? We are going to build an simple application so that anybody, any citizen can use that app to log a case for any stray dogs, like if any dog need in help, so they can raise a case using that community, and that case can be forwarded to the respective teams, and help can be reached to the dogs in need. So what we are going to cover today, we are going to cover why this app is needed, okay, and then how Salesforce community makes a difference, and then we are going to discuss about how we can make it happen. Then we'll discuss about the high level designs of the application, and then finally how to enable and configure the case creation in Salesforce. So why the dogs need our help? So as you know, with us, a silent community exists of four legs, our beloved dogs. So they face many health issues like injuries or hunger, sickness. So they need also a proper care, right? So to help them, we definitely need some platform. Initially, the reporting and dealing of these cases was very hard because there were no such online platform to log a case for the dogs treatment on all these things. So we leverage the Salesforce community app for the same. How the Salesforce community makes a difference? So first of all, nowadays everybody use mobiles, right? So everybody like you can report the things easily what we see. So like you can report the stray dogs. If you see any sick dog or any dog that needs help, you can simply log into an application and you can report it. Once you report the application, report the case. That case can be forwarded to animal groups or any vets working with the animal care. So those cases can be forwarded to such groups, and they take the action, and dog can receive the help. Now how to make it happen? So first of all, we'll need an Salesforce community, and we can set up a Salesforce public community, and there that app or that community we can make it public, because Salesforce community can be made public. So we can make it public, and after making it public, we have to have some small integrations with the animal groups or vets, so that whenever a case is created, they can be forwarded to such groups, and then they can take the next action. So this is the same high level design. We can enable the case creation, then we can set up communities, and we can set up the permissions, and optionally we can enable the chatbots and knowledge articles also, and finally we can deploy it and test it. So how the flow start? Usually a person like you are walking in your park, or you are in the market and you see a dog that needs help. So you instantly open your application, and you visit the site. Then you simply log a case, and once the case is created successfully, that can be assigned to the respective team, and then the case can be forwarded using some Salesforce flows. We can have some small integration, so that case can be forwarded to NGOs and vets, and finally they can decide where and what help the dog needs. And once they decide, the help, like volunteers, they send the volunteers to help the dog. So that is the high level design and the process. So how do we set up or enable the case creation in Salesforce? So first of all, we have to enable the case, and this is very pretty simple step. I have mentioned all these steps, like navigate to a step, and then we have to go to service cloud settings and case settings, and then we have to enable the cases. And after the case is enabled, we have to create a permission set or profile to give the proper user access, like say case creation permissions and all these things. So simply we have to go to setup and users, and we have to create permission set or profiles, and then we have to assign the read or create access on the case object. Once we have enable the case and we have given the case permissions, we have to configure our public community. So we have to open our community, and we have to go to our builder, community builder, and then we have to drag a case create. This is a standard out of the box feature. So this component can be dragged on the community, and finally we can publish this community and make it public. Optionally, we can integrate the chatbots also. There are simple steps, and I have added the resources also. So resource links also to enable chatbot and put it in the case creation and community. So we can optionally integrate chatbots and knowledge articles also. Finally, once these are integrated and published, we can publish the community and test it. And these are the additional resources. Thank you.